military right there. Our new helicopters. Probably curious. Alright, so it's looking good, and we're just going to peek inside from the back. So we know the ridge line's low, and what we will do after we did that on purpose is get it condensed as we can. So as you can see with the space, it's 20 feet. I mean, it's great. It's almost 20 by 20 by 20 by soon to be 8 or 7.5 or
It'll
whatever.
definitely shrink up because that ridge line's going up.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we're gonna cut that.
I'm just gonna do this burn, but I'm not gonna. It'd be a pain in the ass trying to tarp these in too because I want that top to be like a 90-degree angle. So however high I gotta go to get that, achieve that, that's what we want. So when I put the tarps in for the sidewalls, that can be the top and that can be the long way. Whatever folds under will be a floor, but if it's a 90-degree, it'll fit nice and I'll be able to weave them together nice and tight, right?
So we're aiming for a Sunday or Monday, and you almost need a day to come out, and we have to install these things in a day. I mean, we build our wood stove in a day. I have to come out here, I have to lug it all in, we gotta build it. This is structure number 2, so I think safety-wise is going to be good. Another 10 feet is going to go on top of that, so there's no way. And we have a spark rest, so you can see the heat at the top. It looks really cool. So there's minimal exhaust in the tent, which is great. So it's coming together anyway. I'll say this now, but picture the middle of February when it's minus 15. Getting good smoke now. We're back.